In this video we're going to be looking at the balance day adjustment, prepaid expenses. So prepaid expenses are goods paid for but not yet received. So an example is insurance. So let's have a look at this example here. On the 29th of June 2016, a business pays $500 for insurance for July, August and September 2016. Let's firstly do the journal entry that the business would record on this date. So the June 29, insurance would be the expense, which is a debit, for $500. The credit entry would be cash at bank, would be the credit entry for $500. So this is the journal entry that would happen on June 29th, but there's a problem. The problem is that the financial year runs from 1 July 2015 to 30 June 2016. Now this expense that we paid for on the 29th of June relates to July, August and September 2016. So those months fall in the next financial year. So at the moment, this journal entry is reflected in the accounts and it's actually incorrect. If you have a look here at the income statement for year ended 30 June 2016, the current financial year, you can see that we have this insurance amount as an expense for $500. So that reduces our profit. So we have total sales of $10,000 less these two to get our profit of $8,500. But that isn't not entirely accurate, because this $500 that we paid, this amount here, really should be in the income statement for the 2017 financial year. So our profit should not be $8,500, it should actually be $9,000. So we need to create a special type of journal entry to reflect this, and this is basically a balance day adjustment. So the journal entry that we need to do for prepaid expense is we need to debit prepaid expense. So this is a special type of account. It's actually going to be an asset account. Debit prepaid expense for $500, and we're going to credit the actual account. So we're going to credit insurance for $500. What date do we do this journal entry? This journal entry happens on June 30, so the last day of the financial year. That's when we do our balance day adjustments. So what effect would this journal entry have then? So what would happen is this account here, prepaid expense, even though it's called prepaid expense, it's going to appear on the balance sheet as an asset. More importantly, this insurance amount here, credit for $500, that's going to reduce the insurance account back to zero. So at the moment in insurance we have this $500 debit balance, but now that we've applied this balance day adjustment, this credit, so now we have a $500 credit, that balance will get to zero, which means over here on our income statement for 30 June 2016, this insurance value will not be $500, it will be zero, which means our profit will actually be $9,000. So that better reflects this reporting period here, 1 July 2015 to 30 June 2016.